gonna show you some Redmi Note 9 Pro features, and I'm sure you don't know about that because these features are only in Redmi Note 9 Pro. So let's start this video from the first feature. So the first feature is call and identify unknown numbers. Go to call settings. Then call and identify unknown numbers. Activate your caller ID. So let's move to the second feature is piano sound. Go to the call settings. Tap on advanced settings. Dial pad touch tones. Tap on tones. Here are piano keys option. Hear this sound and it looks very nice to hear. This is the new feature in Redmi Note 9 Pro. So the third feature is incoming call settings. Go to call settings. Then here is the option of incoming call settings. Here are so many options. Flip to silence ringer, quit ringer when lifted, increasing ringtone volume, flash when ringing, proximity sensor, mute first ring. But I love for my own flip to silence ringer because it's amazing feature. When someone calls you and you flip your phone, its vibration is turned off automatically. So let's move to the fourth feature. Here you can activate your hotspot automatically. First scroll up. Then here you can activate your Wi-Fi. And here is another option to turn your hotspot on. Here are some more options. You can use in-screen recorder, floating windows and some more features. These features are only in Redmi Note 9 Pro. It's very cool. Turn off the ads. You can use this feature in any app. I choose music app. First go to the icon. Then here is the option of settings. Go to advanced settings. Then here is the option of received recommendations. Deactivate received recommendations. So let's move to the sixth feature is blur the app previews. To activate this, go to the settings. Here you can see I have some WhatsApp messages and messages. If you want to deactivate it, go to settings. Then type here blur app previews. Then tap here. Activate blur app previews. If you want to do this, you can activate in any app like messaging, WhatsApp. You can also use this in your camera. Here you can see messaging and WhatsApp messages are now blurred. Now no one can read your WhatsApp messages or messages from here because it's now blurred. And for deactivate it, go to the settings and you can deactivate this to turn off. See, it's look like previous. So the seventh feature is erasing gallery. First go to gallery. Here I have an image and I want to erase in this. Here is the option of erase.
Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy.
Then our eighth feature is assistant features. You can use your Google in any language. Go to your Google, then tap on your home screen. Here are so many languages like Hindi, English, Bangla, Telugu and some more languages. So guys, these are the cool features of Redmi Note 9 Pro. And if you are not following me on Instagram, Shreyashi's World Official, so please go and check out and follow me now on Instagram. And if you're not subscribed my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. Also have a comment with use hashtag Shreyashi's World. That's the special video you want to see. Okay guys, so it's the end of today's video and I hope you will always support my channel. Love this video. Have a good day. Stay tuned. Bye bye.